Today I'm introducing the Leaf Kit. This is my summer version, and this is what I use when I go outside on camping, hiking or bushcraft trips. Every single piece of gear in my backpack has earned its place throughout real use. So today I'll be showing you what cutting tools I trust when I go out into the woods. Stay tuned and let's get into it. So today I'll be showing you what cutting tools have earned its place in my bag over the years. So I'll be showing you my small hatchet. I'll be showing you my fixed blade. And I'll be showing you my multi-tool. Let's start with the axe. This is a small Hultafors bushcraft axe. This is called the ängelsjon. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, but this is a Swedish brand. This is a high quality axe from the Swedish brand Hultafors. This is only 735 grams, I think it is, and the head alone is 500. This is a small and really exceptional axe, high quality, and can be used for not only chopping wood, but you can also prepare food, make fire shavings and stuff like that. This is a pretty expensive axe, but it's also high quality, and it comes with this leather sheath that is really awesome to protect not only the other gear that I have, but also the axe head. On the side I have this Victorinox multi-tool. This is an old multi-tool that I bought second hand. I'm not quite sure, I think it's called the WorkChamp. It has a lot of different tools that are really nice when you're outside, out in the forest. These pliers are exceptional for taking out splinters and also lifting my cook gear when it's hot. But one of the best features is by far this long saw. This might be a small multi-tool, but it's really capable and can process actually some quite big pieces of wood. It also have some scissors. This is just a small accessory for the corkscrew. These are used for when I have my sunglasses on me. You can use these to tighten it up. So a pretty neat and handy multi-tool. The next is this fixed blade. This is an Ontario Rat 3 from made in USA. This is a great tool, small and convenient fixed blade. I've just scraped up the coating on the top, so I'm able to use it because this has a 90-degree spine with my fire steel, and it will throw some really great sparks, as you can see. I have this mount on the back, so I'm able to put it on my belt and carry it around. Just like that. Now this is what it's all about, guys. This is life, to me at least. Then let's try some of the pepper, the meat, and the chilies. I think they will bring great taste. Quite spicy. Now we just need the water to boil so we can cook our ramen. And these wind guards or wind shields or whatever they're called are really good at containing the flames if it's windy. Today it's not that bad, but if it's windy, these are a must-have. This is some garlic. That could have been done more smooth. Maybe use some of my epic tools. Some spices. And then we have some red chili. I'll add that too, even though these are quite spicy. It's not boiling yet, but it's hot enough to put in the noodles. These ramen noodles takes like no time to prepare. They are lightweight and in my opinion, really delicious. And then they're cheap. That's also a plus. I've cooked ramen noodles on a lot of trips and I just love bringing them. I love how they taste, I love how they cook. And with these few ingredients, make this into a really great dish. Yeah, they're done. Perfect. And just keep us. We'll just keep some liquid, but not much. That's how I like them. Then I'll just add the ingredients. Look at the colors. Still pretty hot. God damn. Ooh. Need some water. Oh. I'm getting better at spicy food, but I'm not there yet. This pot and this flask is from one of my thrift store videos, where I visit Goodwill stores, thrift stores, and find the survival bushcraft, hiking, camping gear, and then take it out for a trip. I'll just link the video up in the corner and check it out. But this tastes old. I guess it is too. It's from this is an old military canteen bottle. So yeah, it tastes like it looks. Just me, nature, the forest, and a great meal. What's not to like? My name is Mads. You are watching Leaf Outdoors. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish you a great day, and then I'll see you in the next one. Leaf Outdoors, signing out.